So consider a system of parallel plates A, B, and C. The plates are given charges Q, minus 2Q, and 3Q respectively. Find the distribution of charge on the faces of the three plates. So these are conducting plates. So if these are thick conducting plates, charge will appear on two surfaces and the charge will be zero inside the metal of the plates. So on two surfaces of each plate, there will be charge induced. Now, so we follow this logic to find the charge on each face. First, we have to calculate the total net charge. So the total net charge here would be, what is the total net charge here? It is Q minus 2Q, so plus 3Q, so which will be equal to, so it is 4Q minus 2Q, so there is 2Q. So that initial total charge you have to calculate first. So after calculating that initial total charge, so half of the initial total charge will appear here on the outer surfaces of extreme plates. So half of the initial total charge. So Q will appear here, Q will appear here. So these are outer surfaces of extreme plates. These are outer surfaces of extreme plates. So now, so this surface has got positive charge. This surface has got positive charge of Q. But what was the total charge given to the plate? Total charge means for both the surfaces, what is the total charge given? Q. So that Q has gone already here. So what should be the charge here? 0. On this surface, the charge should be 0. And opposite face will have equal and opposite charge because of induction. So since this face has 0 charge, this also will have 0 charge. So no charge will be induced here. Here also 0. So but what was the total charge given to the middle plate? Minus 2Q. So that's why, so here minus 2Q charge will be induced. On this face, minus 2Q. On this surface. And because of induction, the opposite face. So because of induction, so the opposite face will get equal and opposite charge. So that is plus 2Q. Plus 2Q. So, but what is the total charge given to the third plate? 3Q. So satisfied. 2Q plus Q. 2Q on this inner face and Q on the outer face. So 2Q plus Q, that is 3Q. So this is how charges will be distributed. So this is how charges will be induced on each and every surface. So here Q, here Q, here 0, here 0, here minus 2Q, here plus 2Q, here plus 2Q.